Hello everyone, welcome back. In the previous video, we have created SSH key and added into the GitHub Bitbucket account. In this video, what we are going to do is we are going to enable multi-factor authentication, which is going to be the two-step verification. As a part of very first step, what we need to do is we need to we need to install any authentication application. Like you have got this Authy for iOS, Authy for Android, you have got Windows. For Windows device, you have got Microsoft Authenticator. What you can do is if you have Google Authenticator or Salesforce Authenticator, you can use those as well. If you already have, you don't need to worry about that, use those. If not, then you can install based on what device you are using, install that. And once you are done, what you need to do is you just need to scan this barcode. From where you will get, I'll let you know. And then you need to enter the verification code. It is going to um, uh, after entering the verification code, basically click on this button. It is going to send you an email, and in the email you have to click on enable to factor authentication, and then you are done. So let's quickly do that. So after login into your Bitbucket account, you might see like this. If you are already into the project, again you just need to go click on your profile and select personal settings, and then this time click on two-step verification. Now if you have already done that means the step one. If you have already done that, what you need to do is you just need to open your application and then add this account for your from your mobile application. So as soon as you will add, you will see a verification code on your mobile. You just need to put that and then click on enable two-step verification. So you can see here you are almost ready to go. Check your email to finish the enabling two-step verification. What we need to do is we need to open our email and then click on enable whatever the button we get inside our email. So once you click on that email, you will be able to see that two-step verification is enabled and you will be logged in directly into your Bitbucket environment. Now let's quickly go ahead and create a repository inside your project. So go there, open your project and click on create repository. We can just say that first repo because this is our first project. You wanted to include a readme, yes, we'll say that with the template. Default branch is master. If you wanted to include a git ignore, you can say yes and then click on create repository. So once you click on that button, it is going to create your first repository and you are going to see this is how your repository is going to look like. If you wanted to clone this repository, what you can do is just go ahead and click on clone, and by default it will be selected as SSH. Why? Because we have already enabled SSH. Just go ahead and copy this and go to the folder where you wanted to clone this repository, and then after opening the command prompt, paste this. So let's see how we do that. So I wanted to clone this inside my deployment folder. I will go ahead, open the command prompt and paste it whatever I have copied, hit enter. So if you are doing this for the first time and you have not done SSH, it will ask for the authentication. If you already have done the SSH, it is not going to ask the authentication because the SSH is already completed and Bitbucket already knows who you are, and thus it is not asking for the authentication. So you can see here I am able to clone this repository, and this is our repository called first repo with a readme file and git ignore file. So this is it for this video. Thank you for your time, and in the next video we will talk about how we can create our first pipeline using our Bitbucket. Thank you.